Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to import contacts from cloud to Android. If you want to import your contacts from your cloud account, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have logged into your Google account or Google Drive to access your cloud, and then you must have to open your settings and now scroll down and look for Google, tab on it, then tap on all services, and here just scroll down and you will get Google Contact Sync. Just tap on it and here you have to make sure that you have enabled this setting. Once you have enabled, it will sync or import all of your contacts which are saved to your cloud account. Then it will import these contacts to your phone. If you haven't selected the correct account, just tap on this and here just select the correct account from which you want to import your contacts. So in this way you can easily import your contacts from cloud to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.